Hey guys.
Hi.
What do we got today?
Another snack crate.
It's not what we wished for, but it's from Israel.
It's from Israel, guys. All right. So this is the little pamphlet for
Israel.
this time. And we're going to read a fun fact as usual.
Israel has the world's highest rate of university degrees and on a per capita basis.
Interesting. Okay, Israel is the only country in the world that has more trees today than it had 50 years ago.
Wow.
It has
All right,
more
Chris,
trees?
you pick. It's either this one, or this one.
All right. Coffee and cafes are so good in Israel. That is the only country where Starbucks fails trying to break into the local market.
Oh, that's interesting.
Starbucks fails trying to
Yeah,
break.
because the coffees and the cafes are so good there, so people are not interested in Starbucks. That's interesting. And then I'm going to read this one.
Starbucks is awesome.
I'm going to read this one because I like it. Pet lovers in Israel created the first ever U.S. cable channel for dogs. It is scientifically programmed to keep dogs entertained and comforted while they're home alone. That is so cute. Box looks like inside with the little Star of David.
I want to open it.
So, guys, are you ready?
Yes.
You might get the ones that we like.
All right, so everything's looking good so far.
You can read this one.
Okay, so who's going to start? We're going to start with this one?
We tried that already.
Yeah, because they sell it at the store. Go ahead.
All right. Bamba peanut butter peanut puffs. This a delicious peanut flavored puffed corn snack that is highly regarded all over Israel. They melt in your mouth with every bite.
Ooh.
I think we tried this and I don't think we liked it.
Well, we'll see. I don't really remember.
I remember trying this. I didn't like it, so I don't want
Smells
one.
good. Try it. Smells like peanut butter. Okay, guys, get in the frame. If not, this doesn't work. 3, 2, 1.
I don't like it. Too peanut buttery, not too puffy.
I think it's the other way around. I feel it's more puffy than peanut buttery.
Too puffy and peanut buttery.
I kind of like it. I give it a so-so.
The problem is,
I give it a so-so.
I know what it is. The way that they make it makes you feel like if it was stale. But it really isn't. Like, for a little baby, you see, like, for babies, these are like the puffs that we have, like, for the babies. But these have peanut butter in them. And then it just feels like the peanut butter taste is so faint that it feels stale a little bit. But it's not bad.
Stale? What does that mean?
Stale is like when food is old.
Oh.
Okay, next one.
All right.
Okay.
This one, right?
Bisley wheat snack. Weedy snacks with a flavor louder than their crunch. With flavors such as barbecue sauce, or smoky. These will take your taste buds on a zesty trip.
All right, let's see.
What is zesty?
Okay, hopefully these are good.
What does zesty mean?
Zesty is always like a type of flavor.
Okay.
All right, frame.
Ready?
Frame.
3, 2, 1.
It tastes like barbecue.
Yeah, just like barbecue. I like them.
Mama.
Yeah, grab it, Papa.
This is
But it kind of tastes
Is this a
kind of
cracker?
stale.
Yeah, you can throw it there.
It kind of tastes stale too.
No,
I
it
like
doesn't.
this one. I like this one. It's really
Yeah, I like it too. I give it a
Mommy,
thumbs
instead
up.
of rating.
Bisley falafel.
Falafel, yeah.
Get the taste of Israel's favorite dish in crispy noodle form. These crunchy snacks will satisfy your munches with their addicting texture.
I really love falafel.
Means when you start it, you can never stop.
Yeah. I really love falafel, guys.
I never tried falafel.
Falafel is those balls. Remember where we went with Avi? That there was a belly dancer?
Oh, yeah.
And they had those balls? That's what falafel is. But I don't know if it'll taste the same. It looks like this, guys. We haven't shown them what the things look like. Okay, 3, 2, 1. They're not bad.
They're not bad.
They're not bad, but they're not like
That's
Good.
something I will go crazy
I
for.
give it like in between a thumbs up and.
Yeah, I'd rather have the regular
I give it a
falafel
between.
ball, but I would eat it.
I give
It's
it
not-
a between.
It's not
A
bad.
between.
Okay, next one.
All right, let's go with this.
Oodles. We each get one. I call the crown. I call the crown.
Let me see if they're different.
I want the green.
Mommy, you're getting the blue, okay?
Oh, they're all the same. Okay, let me show them first.
I'm getting the crown, okay.
I'm getting the green.
Oodles. These sweet, tiny, ball-shaped fruit chews are popular throughout Israel. We've included a few of our favorite flavors for you to try.
All right, so Michael is gonna be getting
The crown.
tiny tangy. Oh, it doesn't say the flavor, I think.
I got the best.
I know.
Oh, this one says green apple.
I got the best.
This one says blue raspberry,
Ooh,
and I don't know if
raspberry.
his is like
I think
It's like a mix.
I think
I
his
think
is
it's
a mix.
of all your.
Oh yeah, his says mix on it. Okay, this looks interesting because these are like, I feel like these are like nerds.
Yeah, they're like nerds.
They're like nerds, and I love nerds.
Everybody loves nerds. They're the best,
So
Not really the best.
yeah, they look just like nerds.
but they're a little bigger.
They're a teeny bit bigger.
I got the blue.
Michael, Mom, why did you taste one?
Sorry.
This is a blue raspberry. Chris, show me.
I got a green apple.
3, 2, 1.
And there's a pink one. I don't know what that is.
Because it's a mix.
I know.
Mmm.
That is so good.
I really like these.
I'm keeping this one.
Yeah, I'm keeping this one.
Mm-hmm.
No one's taking my tangy.
Thumbs up for me.
Michael, look.
There's a drink. I'll put that aside.
Okay. Next thing.
Click bites. These tasty size treats are often given to well-behaved Israel children. We've included
well-behaved.
either cornflakes or cookie varieties.
All right. So this one is
Wait,
milk.
Mommy, just
Oh,
mommy,
you're not done?
just
They're
don't
all-
stick it too much here, or else
They're
it's not
all
gonna show me.
equally delicious. That's what the pamphlet says.
All right. So this is milk and white chocolate coated
I
biscuits.
guess this is what
This
good children
sounds
get.
really good.
This is what good children get in Israel. So we're good children, so we get it.
All
I
right.
hope there's not nuts. I
This
can
is
eat
what it
nuts.
looks like. Get in the frame. 3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Mmm. Do you guys like it?
Click in milk cream. A sweet, crispy bar filled with decadent, creamy milk, then coated with a generous layer of white and milk chocolate.
Ooh. All right. So we're each gonna take a bite.
I hate milk chocolate.
Why? It's so good.
I don't think it's
My
that
piece.
good.
Hey!
Mom, why did you taste it? You're not supposed to taste it yet.
I sure will.
Yeah, because each of us
It's
are
a-
taking a bite.
You're supposed to be saying 3, 2, 1.
It's fine.
What do you think?
I can't taste it yet.
It's good. It's all right.
I guess it's good.
Yeah.
It's not like a huge deal, but it's good.
I would like to eat that, like, at least once.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, let's go into this one. It's called a chocolate log.
Chocolate log. These milk chocolate bars are made using a special technique that gives them the appearance of real wooden logs.
What?
Yeah,
They look like real logs? Wow.
yeah, they do look.
That's cool. Whoa! They look so cool.
Yeah, they made them look cool.
I call the first bite.
All right, so take a bite.
Chris, no, put it back.
What is it? How's it?
Tastes milky and chocolatey.
It's just a chocolate bar, guys.
Yeah, just looks like a wood.
They just make it look like wood so it could look kind of cool.
Yeah. No change.
All right, next one.
Okay.
Choco Kid.
Wait.
I can't wait to eat that.
Click Choco Kit. This candy bar is made up of silky milk, chocolate mixed together with crunchy bits of puffed rice.
Ooh.
Confections. Wait. This confection's texture is definitely something to call home about.
All right, so this is what
I
they
call
look
first bite
like.
again.
No, I want a first bite.
I don't
It
like
looks
what
like
they
bubbles. It looks like bubbles, but I don't like it that much. Ooh.
look like. That looks like it's gonna be good. Because this is what it looks like on the inside. What do you guys think?
Tastes like marshmallow.
Mm-hmm.
I want a second bite.
I can't even see you guys.
Sorry.
It's because we're not sitting. We're standing
Have
up.
you guys realized that there's a lot of chocolate?
Yeah. Very weird.
A lot of chocolate. Okay, this is the next one. Find it. It's called Pesek Zeman.
Pesek Zeman. The treat features crisp and airy wafers filled with luxurious hazelnut cream, then dipped in milk chocolate.
Wow, that sounds really good.
Ooh, milk chocolate's my
That
favorite.
sounds good.
Me first, me first.
And it has like a little basketball on it. I don't know if that has
I
anything.
love basketball. My favorite sport ever.
What?
Do you taste like nut?
What do you think? Does it taste like Snickers or something?
Kind of, but not really.
It looks like it looks like kind of like a Butterfinger inside.
I don't like it.
I don't really like it. It tastes like coffee.
I like it.
Tastes like what?
Actually, I like it.
It has hazelnut. Maybe that's why you don't like it, Michael. Okay, these I don't want to do right now. Everybody knows what these taste like.
I want to do them.
They're the chocolate coins.
But they have
They're just-
Hanukkah candles on them.
Yeah, that's fine. But they're just regular chocolate. Like we already know what that tastes like.
Take one.
So you guys can have those after we're done. And then the last but not least, we've got these.
Okay.
So these seem like they're fruity, which is good.
Fluffy
I'll take
Tuffys.
a red one.
Yeah, fluffy Tuffys.
I want one of both, okay? I want one
Yeah,
of these
one
two.
of both.
Okay, wait. Fluffy Tuffys. Chewy taffies that come in several different tangy, fruity flavors. The instant and aromatic flavor sets these candles apart from them all. Okay, I want both.
So I think this is strawberry. Oh, I think they're both strawberry. All right, so when you open it, this is what it looks like.
Can I eat it later? Because it might be like it's chewy, so then
Oh,
it
it
will get
is.
stuck.
It's very chewy. You gotta be careful. It's
will.
too chewy.
Too chewy.
It's like really hard.
And last but not least,
It's really good,
but really tough.
but really, really hard to bite into.
Really like bricks. Did you know some people
It's good,
actually
but
eat
tough.
bricks?
Really?
Some people eat bricks. What? They're addicted to eating bricks.
Who is that?
I don't know. But they eat bricks.
That's probably because they have a deficiency in their body.
No, drum roll.
I'll read the drink. All right, so the drink is, Michael, this is called Spring Nectar, made with real fruit. A sip of this Israeli drink will make you think of a fresh spring afternoon. We've included either peach or mango. Oh my God,
I
which
think
one did
that's
we get?
peach. Peach. That's peach.
We got peach.
We got peach, boys.
All right, interesting.
Ready?
So me first.
Hey, I was the one who showed them, and you put lipstick on it. There's lipstick here.
Okay. Now you sip. And then Christopher.
Doesn't
Yeah, it
taste
does.
like much.
It's like a very soft drink.
And very light. It doesn't taste much. It doesn't
Okay,
taste
pero
like
dale.
much. And thin. Like you don't
Yeah.
taste
Ready to take a
much.
sip.
Like you can taste. You can taste the peach for
Yeah,
sure.
but it's not that strong.
What do you think?
I think it's
Try it
good.
again. Let me try that again.
I think it's good.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like much. I don't like that.
But I still like the drink.
It's all right.
I want it, but I don't
The
like
drinks
it
are
much.
always good.
He wants it, but he doesn't like it.
I don't like it.
Okay, guys.
much.
So what were your favorites?
Ooh, that's gonna be hard.
Yep.
These. Definitely
Show them.
these.
Okay.
Yeah, me
what
too.
else? If you need a reference, we have the pamphlet here.
Hey.
I can tell you that my favorites are these.
I also
Definitely.
like these.
You gotta
this,
show them.
And I also like this and this.
All right.
Hey.
All right, guys. Let us know what you think. Oh, sorry.
I like the oodles. I like the chocolate log.
Oh yeah. The log.
I like the kick and cream and kick. The Bissell wheat snacks. The spring nectar.
Okay, so he liked a bunch of stuff.
The cake.
He liked the whole box. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We love you. Let us know what you think. If you've tried any of these snacks, let us know.
If you like this video, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more of our videos.
Bye, guys.